Good morning, kids. It is Wednesday, and I am filming our science experiment for class today. We are talking about acid and bases. So it is our job to test whether these items are an acid or a base. We've already predicted in class here on our recording sheet. And I have all the materials set out at my house. And I am going to use litmus paper. I got it on Amazon. Remember, you can make your own using cabbage as well, cabbage juice. It's sort of fun just to make the indicator paper on your own. So I'll use the litmus paper to test whether it is an acid or a base. Remember, if the paper turns more towards the red shades, it's an acid. Green is neutral, and towards blue means it is alkaline or basic. So today we're testing soap, Windex, water from my sink, lemon, Sprite, sparkling water in the back there, Coke, and saliva. All right, kiddos, I also forgot to say we will test my beet juice that I drink in the morning. It has beets and kale and lemon and oranges. So I've already done my saliva because who wants to watch Miss M put her saliva on the litmus test? No one. Gross. So let's start with water. I'm putting them on this paper towel to let them dry, give them a minute before we record their colors. All right, let's do Coke next. All right, we're getting it dipped in Coke. How many of you drink soda? Okay, now we're gonna do the sparkling water. I am addicted to the sparkling water. I drink it probably twice a day. It's one of my favorite treats. All right, and then let's do Sprite since we're over here in the soda section. All right, I figured for Windex, sorry if I'm making you guys dizzy with my camera angles here. I figured with the Windex I would just spray it right onto the strip. Now it's going to be hard to come up. Windex. Same with the soap. I figured I would just put a little bit on my tray, dip my litmus paper in for a second. There's soap. And lemon, we have lemon. One of these days I'm going to get myself a tripod. Oh, look at that lemon, wow. That turned red fast, didn't it? Lemon. And let's see, what do we have left? We have beet juice left. Who would drink my beet juice? Now, the problem with the beet juice is it is red. So that could sort of contaminate our experiment, right? We might not be getting a true indicator of whether beet juice is an acid or a base. All right, guys, so looking at our results here, which items are acidic? Remember, those are our items that are closer to the red color. Lemon juice is highly acidic. Look how red that is. Same with my beet juice, which has a lot of citrus in the juice, and citrus is acidic. We see Coke and Sprite is sort of orange, which means it's more acidic. The sparkling water looks like it's sort of green, but it has an orange tint. So it might be sort of a neutral, but also going towards acidic. We see our water and my saliva is neutral, that's good. And the soap is also neutral. What about the Windex? That's sort of a yellow color. I think that it is acidic, kind of closer to neutral than it is to being highly acidic. Would you guys like to try this at home?